In this video, I want to show you how to make a call using the Clean Biz Network CRM from the desktop. So the very first thing that you would do, the first way that you can do it in multiple different ways, but the first way will be the simple way, which is right here. This green button, the phone number button, just click on that top right and simply dial out to a phone number that you want to dial out to, and then press the green button to actually make it dial out. So let's go ahead and just continue with this call just for an example. And if you wanted to end the call, you click here to end the call.
Hey, it's AJ Simmons with Clean Biz.
Also, sometimes when you dial out on a phone number, I'll dial out again. Also, if you dial out, sometimes your dial pad will be minimized, so it's kind of hard to see it. So I'll show you an example of that. So notice how notice how it's minimized. So if you want to unminimize it, just simply click that drop down arrow, and now you'll see the dial pad open back up, and you can end the call, mute the call, add notes, send a message if you want to text a person. You can transfer calls over to other phone numbers in your account, put them on hold, etc. So now the other way that you can make a call would be if you went to your conversations tab. So I'm going to go here on the left. And let's just say you wanted to call this last person that you were having a text message with or email with, etc. You simply click on that right there to make sure that you're on the right conversation. And then to the right over here, you can click this button that'll make a call. And I'm not going to click it because it's going to actually call this client. And I'm using the CBN member's account to actually demonstrate this video. So I don't want to call one of their leads accidentally. But if you click this button here, it'll actually dial out immediately. Then the third way that you could make a call out would be to go to contacts. And then in contacts, you simply search for the person's name who you want to call. So let's just say I want to call myself. I'm going to search for me. I'm going to click on my name to open up that contact. And now that I have that contact open, I'm just going to simply click that green button and it'll dial out with that person's phone number. And what I like to do too is if I do it this way, I'll also have this tab open, the notes tab. I'll click add note. And while I'm on the phone and it's dialing out, I'll have this open so that way I can take notes and type while I'm on the phone. So that is how you will make a call out of the Clean Biz Network CRM using the desktop app.